Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Jofan right here, and today I'm gonna try to repair this MacBook with a blinking folder. This is a 2012 series, so that's how it looks like. Let me show you how you need to overcome this problem. And the reason as to why you're seeing this pop-up or blinking folder, it means you currently have no any running software. I'm talking about the macOS Sonoma, Catalina, or anything. It means it was erased or corrupted. So let me show you how we're going to do this. First, you need to turn off your MacBook. First, turn off from here. That's the button right there. And you're going to click turn on. And at the same time, you need to press Command Option, then R right here at the same time. So let's start in recovery. It's like a group. So from here, you're gonna select your Wi-Fi. Make sure you connect to Wi-Fi. So our Wi-Fi has been connected, and this spinning globe from the macOS recovery right here starting, it will take around 20 minutes or 15 minutes. So just sit back and wait. So from this, we're gonna say reinstall macOS. Click to continue. For my Mac, it's gonna go with macOS Catalina. Connect internet. So we are connected. Click to continue. Reinstall. This is macOS Catalina on my Mac. You're gonna say agree on your main disk or internal drive. I named mine as Jofan main. This will take around 4 hours, and from this process it will be automatic. So I'll be back when this is all done. Like you can see from here, it says 6 hours and 10 minutes, but it will go around 4 hours, depends on your internet speed. So let me just hold on, I'll be back when it's all done. And now it says 4 hours and 48 minutes remaining, so I'm gonna sleep right now. It's plugged, so I'll sleep and I'll check it in the morning. That's I don't need that one. Voiceover quick start. Voiceover speaks descriptions. So select your country from here and you continue. You can say customize or just continue. Connect to Wi-Fi. You just need to continue data privacy. Do not transfer. If you wish to, you can transfer. If you made a backup, you can say set up later. Skip. Agree terms and conditions. For this one you cannot skip, so I'm gonna create password and a nickname. So I've created a name and a password. You can skip the hint, just continue. Continue. You can say share, continue. You can enable Siri, English, continue. Not now, continue. I always prefer dark. Continue. Setting up your Mac. And this should take you back to the main screen. As you can see, you can come to about this Mac. It runs with macOS Catalina. Memory, DDR3. Your storage is 1 terabyte. From this moment you can try to restart and see if the problem has been solved. So let's restart. logo. Now I'll put my password. Yep, back to the main screen. It means the problem has been solved. Maybe next video I'll try to upgrade this to macOS eventually. Thanks for watching. Remain Jovan. Subscribe. This is just a unsupported Mac 2012. Have a good time.